क्या आप जानते हैं Nova Formworks is a leading provider of versatile formwork systems engineered to elevate modern construction standards. Designed with innovation and efficiency in mind, our system utilizes compounded plastic ensuring durability, ease of use, and a smooth finish for every project. Explore our range of specialized formwork applications, each crafted to address the unique demands of contemporary construction. Concrete cast-in situ systems. One of the hallmark applications of Nova Formwork is our cast-in situ concrete system. This process involves pouring concrete in liquid form into customized plastic molds directly at the construction site, creating a solid, lasting structure. Reinforcements are tailored to client specifications, while our innovative locking system, locking pins, ensures the panels join seamlessly without gaps. This design not only prevents concrete leakage but also delivers an exceptionally smooth finish, ideal for projects demanding precision and quality. Modular box culvert formwork panels. Nova Formworks offers a modular solution for box culvert construction with our box culvert formwork panels. Each panel locks tightly into place using locking pins, preventing concrete seepage and yielding a polished surface. Our competitive pricing makes these panels a practical choice for any culvert construction project, offering both durability, cost efficiency, and faster cycles. Monolithic construction solutions. The Nova Formwork system is uniquely equipped for monolithic construction, where a single continuous structure is essential. By combining plastic and aluminium, we enable the construction of seamless unified structures that stand the test of time. This system is ideal for large-scale projects that require uniformity and strength across the entire building. Drain formwork for smart cities. Nova Formworks is increasingly utilized in smart city developments to construct efficient and high-quality drain systems. By optimizing time and enhancing performance, our drain formwork system guarantees a superior finish, making it a preferred choice for urban infrastructure projects nationwide, and it ensures faster cycles, saving time and money. Affordable housing solutions. Nova Formworks also offers cost-effective solutions for low-cost housing projects. Our system is designed for maximum repetitions, making it a practical and affordable choice for large-scale, budget-sensitive housing developments. Versatile precast molds. Our range of precast molds is designed for diverse applications such as precast concrete box culverts, pits, stitch concrete, and many more. Nova Formworks precast options streamline the process, allowing for easy installation and consistent quality across multiple structures. Beam formwork systems. Nova Formworks offers specialized plastic formworks for beams, slabs, columns, and other vertical applications. Our beam formwork is sturdy, reusable, highly adaptable, meeting the needs of various structural configurations without compromising on quality. Stitch concrete formwork for flyovers. Nova's modular plastic formwork system has been successfully utilized in construction of stitch concrete on flyover projects, notably with ITT, KEC, Simplex for multiple Delhi flyovers. The system's durability and ease of assembly being lightweight make it ideal for large-scale infrastructure projects. Multi-purpose slab formwork. Our slab formwork panels are versatile and suitable for a wide range of construction needs. Our panels deliver a smooth finish and with easy installations. The system is available in different sizes, allowing clients to choose based on specific project requirements. Column formwork for diverse specifications. The Nova Formworks column system provides a comprehensive range of sizes adaptable to any column dimension, lightweight and easy to manage, offering both standard and customized options to fit diverse construction needs. Wall formwork for vertical applications. Our wall formwork system is ideal solution for vertical structures such as walls, shear walls, retaining walls, and even swimming pool walls. With a variety of panel sizes, Nova's wall formwork system simplifies installation for a vertical application, including lift walls, water tanks, drains, STP tanks. So choose from Formwork to find the perfect fit for your project. Each Nova Formwork solution is crafted to provide unmatched flexibility, quality, and efficiency for a broad range of construction projects. We are dedicated to innovation and excellence, empowering builders with systems that save time, cut costs, and ensure superior results. So to learn more about how Nova Formworks can transform your construction process, visit us at www.novaformworks.com and explore our full range of products and services. Hit the bell icon to get the latest updates, and do subscribe us and share it further. Thank you.